Hey, Brian from Grooming Hall here with Sophie and Sadie, and we're going to be doing this nail clipper review. And Sophie's hard to get sometimes to get her nails, so anyway, let's see how we do. Okay, so you have a two-way switch here that turns on your LED light that releases it. So now you have that, and you can also capture their clippings in that. And then on this end, you actually have a file also with the light. So you can do one or two things with that, so pretty awesome. So let's turn this light on, and hopefully we'll be able to spot the quick a lot easier in her nail. So you can kind of see how that lights up. And we know we can clip the ends, we should get it nice and then that's great. It gets that toe in there, and like I said, we always have a hard time with her. And then we can clip the ends. And then now that we can see the quick area, we can work on getting her nice and trimmed up. And you can tell she doesn't like her nails trimmed too much. So pretty good. Let's get some more in this one. Okay, good to go. We'll get her canine up here. We'll get her high nail on this foot. Okay, there you go. And we'll get a roller paw, but very cool, very easy. You can see all the clippings that are caught in there, and then we're good to go. Anyway, Brian and Sophie from Grooming Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.